Did you know that one of the most common causes of headaches comes from an injury to the spinal ligaments? If this condition continues to go undiagnosed, it will continue to cause the headaches. The most common cause of that is not utilizing a smart injury doctor. Spinal ligament injuries can be one of the most common causes of chronic neck pain, back pain, and headaches. When a person's spine is injured, or if they suffered an injury in the past, they need a smart injury doctor. Stop suffering. If you've been involved in an accident or you have chronic pain from an old accident, call our office today and find out what makes us different. Life can be better. Call us now. We are Smart Injury Doctors.